biographical drama film, directed by Jean-Marc VallÄ and written by Craig Borten and Melisa Wallack. Matthew McConaughey stars as the real-life AIDS patient Ron Woodruff, who smuggled unapproved pharmaceutical drugs into Texas when he found them effective at improving his symptoms, distributing them to fellow sufferers by establishing the Dallas Buyers Club while facing opposition from the Food and Drug Administration. Dallas Buyers Club premiered at the 2013 Toronto International Film Festival and was released theatrically on November 1, 2013, entering wide release on November 22. The film received acclaim from critics, and won numerous accolades, most recognizing the performances of McConaughey and Jared Leto, including the Academy Award for Best Actor and the Academy Award for Best Supporting Actor, making it the first film since Mystic River to win both awards. It also won Best Makeup and Hair Styling at the 86th Academy Awards, and received a nomination for Best Picture. As of March 2014, it grossed over $32 million in box office revenue against a budget of $5 million. Plot: in 1985 Dallas, electrician and rodeo cowboy Ron Woodruff is diagnosed with AIDS and given 30 days to live. He initially refuses to accept the diagnosis, but remembers having unprotected sex with an intravenous drug-using prostitute. Ron quickly finds himself ostracized by family and friends, gets fired from his job, and is eventually evicted from his home. At the hospital, he is tended to by Dr. Eve Sachs, who tells him that they are testing a drug called zidovudine, an antiretroviral drug which is thought to prolong the life of AIDS patients and which is the only drug approved by the Food and Drug Administration for testing on humans. Sachs informs him that in the clinical trials, half the patients receive the drug and the other half are given a placebo, as this is the only way they can determine if the drug is working. Ron bribes a hospital worker to get him the AZT. As soon as he begins taking it, he finds his health deteriorating. When Ron returns to the hospital, he meets Rain, a drug addict, and HIV-positive trans woman, toward whom he is hostile. As his health worsens, Ron drives to a Mexican hospital to get more AZT. Dr. Vaz, who has had his American medical license revoked, tells Ron that the AZT is poisonous and kills every cell it comes into contact with. He instead prescribes him DDC and the protein peptide T, which are not approved in the US. 3 months later, Ron finds his health much improved. It occurs to him that he could make money by importing the drugs and selling them to other HIV-positive patients.